We went on a journey to discover the flavors of our region.
I don't know what to expect, but I know it's gonna be good.
Simple cooking at its best.
3 towns, 3 provinces, 14 days.
Gusto ko yung bida dito, yung fermented rice eh. Tapos nasa likod yung kape, no?
Nice name. Pakainin na natin.
Sarap.
Driving 600 kilometers through land where nature and man have coexisted for ages.
Ano yung gagawin mo sa itag?
Iboboil ko na sa fresh gata.
Here we found more than just flavor.
You want the full experience? This is it.
Tapos ito pa siya.
We found soul and pride in food rooted in the land, its people, and culture.
Tingnan nyo naman gano'ng kaganda to. Pag nakita mo to sa ibang bansa, pupunta sila dito para sa ganito.
This is a Kalinga local delicacy.
Let us eat. Mga taku.
We found ourselves in the Cordilleras.